So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text all uppercase letters or capitalized only here in Microsoft Word. So the easiest way to do this is to just press caps lock on your keyboard and then type in whatever you want. So this is caps lock. It makes every letter capitalized. Now, if you don't want to do that, or your caps lock button is broken, or whatever the case may be, to make letters or to make the entire words all capitalized, it's very straightforward. So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in this is all lowercase letters. There you go. I'll just change this. There you go. This is all lowercase letters. Pretty straightforward. Now to make this all capitalized letters, instead of free writing it, a simple way to put it is just to highlight this entire sentence. Go to this top bar here. Make sure the home bar in the top left is selected. Go to this option right here where there's a capital A and a lowercase a. It says change case. Press on the arrow right here. On this drop down, you have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Press on where it's uppercase. And by doing that, you make the entire sentence all uppercase letters. Now it's a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can make text or to make sentences all uppercase letters here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.